Hello, my people. Please, it's me, Ijobala. Are you seeing me? Na me, you the one that how I take come here. Now, so I see myself here. I'm a new year. Sir. I'm a new year. Now, I don't know anybody around this place. So, now, so I can't see one brother for that side. True. I take it take maybe na weed abi Colorado or weed that they call am. You can't say can I chi? You can't say I should come and chi with him. Na so na only one puff I take. I come ask am say brother abeg o I wan barb my head. If you can say that I'm not like see my head. Say where is the barber shop o? He can't direct me. So gently. I don't even know that I don't pass the barber shop where he direct me. You understand? I no can know how manage. I can't see myself on YouTube. I can't say ask myself landed. Wetin dey worry you now? Wetin carry you come here from to barber shop to YouTube? How come? I just don't look now here I see YouTube manager. I can't greet and say good afternoon sir. Na man wey she be. If you know say I no like see my head, see myself. Now see am e don expire. Say make I barb myself. I dey tell the manager YouTube like that. They come tell me say is he here resemble Barbie Saloon? I say no, I'm a stranger here. Now one man direct me because say I welcome. I say yes sir. Please sir, where is the barber shop? You can't say e be like say something dey worry me. So do you know where I am? I say I'm a stranger. Okay, you can't say well done. Say my eyes where e dey blind, where dey run do say my eyes go come down now. I say okay, you come down now. Wetin I do? I say I'm a stranger. You can't say this YouTube as I come here, they no dey come there free. I say how? I no see anything. You can't say see na so you see how they lock me. Na so they lock me. I can't say oga. Okay, I know say na Nigeria we dey. How I go take comot here sir? Abeg. I just dey beg the YouTube manager say oga, how I go take comot here? You understand? The YouTube manager come tell me say it's like they use one red something lock me pa. You understand? You can't say I need 1,000 subscribe on this YouTube before I come out. I can't say 1,000 subscribe. Say do you know how many people I have? I have 1 million of people wey dem love me. Wey be say me I love them too. You can't say if I don't see 1,000 subscribe I'm free to go. You understand? Now so I come fuck up. I don't know wetin dey worry my head. Wetin dey worry this? I don't even know. Now so I come tell am say where you go dey undergrade me? Say me 1,000 subscribe. Do you know how many people wey I know? Where they know me say I still make mouth say èmi today or not. I dey mess people. Sam Larry. Now so I dey make mouth today. Say okay. I go surprise them. Say if I no get 10,000 subscribers, now me look my face well. Now I'm still me Jerry. Where I decide so to here thank you. Now me now because of inside here where I dey let you see my face well. Let me try to bring it up. Now so I tell the manager of YouTube say okay if I no get 10,000 subscribers, make them no leave me. Make them know say I get people. Now here I say I dey okay for what I say. I say see this one. I still make my say okay. I go surprise them. Say okay. I no do 10,000 subscribers. Now only 1,000 they want you. I don't know wetin dey worry me. That day I no go take am again. If they push me anyhow. Now here I say okay. I no go do 10,000 again. Say if I no get 20,000 on subscriber, say make them no release me. Now so dem stop am. I say I can't the one that say is it my people forget me here? Can you see people now since morning where I don dey here sir. Na see 590 something subscribe I get. I never get 1,000 yet sef. Talk less of 20,000. Na so I come say how come sef say these people forget me here. So abeg don't let me. I don put myself for problem now. Na only you fit comot me. Abeg dem say I need 20,000. Na normal na 1,000, but I don dey overdo. You understand? I don do pass myself. Na so I go write 20,000 on the week. Na me still sign am by myself. Abeg help me. You can still tell your friend to tell friend to tell friend. If I die here, you no gain anything. I know say I deserve to die itself because my head no dey correct. But you no go mind my mouth or my word. You need to pity my mommy. You understand? That woman, e suffer a lot. E suffer. Sometimes e no go eat because of me. E carry me for. You need to pity my mommy. Abeg help me subscribe for them. Make dem release me. I can't say my people no know YouTube. They can't say make I tell you people say if you don't come to YouTube, find search for Ijoba Land. Dem say they go bring me out. When dem bring me out, how to unlock me, how to take me out, to vote for me, you see subscribe on the YouTube for Ijoba Land. Just click on the subscribe. So that is it. I even ask dem say how much you go pay is to subscribe. Say dem no dey collect money for them to know say I know people say I no go run for them. You understand? Say no be say I wan thief something for YouTube. Say that's why dem do that. But normal na 1,000 dem want. But na me come go do over mouth come say 20,000. Abeg yeah, this thing don dey pay me. Abeg help me out. Abeg I use God beg you. You will never know sorrow in your life. Help me subscribe abeg so dem can release me. See as I see where I put myself for problem. Abeg God will help all of us. It's not this thing. I don't know wetin dey worry. I promise you, if I take that thing again in my life, may una kill me, but let me come out first. Abeg no do mistake because if you do mistake dem no dey count am. Just search for Ijoba Land. So you click on the subscribe. Even I don tell my manager make she go put am for my bio on Instagram. You can check in on my bio so e can easily for you. Just check my bio, you will see YouTube link there. Just click on it. So abeg no take my motor. Abeg I just go beg you. Lay Nigeria stuff. Traffic too much. Abeg I want to comot here quickly. You can take bike if naira e no far. They will quickly reach me. Abeg God bless you. I know you love me. I no go die for here. If God make me out here, I go happy. Thank you so much. Na still me. So
ti yẹ. Thank you.